Hello guys, today I come back and will show you new tricks. And if you iPhone user, you must be need to know how you can do this. So don't worry. Today I show you how you can change language on your iPhone. So sometime actually global language in English. Sometime we need to manage my mother language. Then you should change the language. So how you can do it? Today I'll show you. So if you iPhone user and if you want to learn on these topics, you can just stay with me. Otherwise, you can ignore. Okay. So if you want to change language, you just tap on the settings. Then you see similar UI. And also, if you iPhone 14 Pro user, then you see same interface. And if you have any others model or others OS version, then it will be little bit changed. I just remembered to you. So then I just tap on the general. Here is showing many option. All right, like about software update and airdrop, many options. So we are looking for the language. So if you want to change the language, then you just see and scroll down. Date and time, keyboard, fonts, and fourth option, language and region, sorry, not religion. Then I just tap on the language. Okay, all right. So here in currently showing English the primary, also have Bangla and Netherlands, I mean Dutch. So if you want to add more language, you can just tap the language. And in coming many languages in the world and added, you can choose any language as you need. So it's the pretty easy, and I think you can do it like this. And please comment, and if you face any problem, don't hesitate, and please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.